श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि दिनकरवरसुत शनीश पाहि दिनकरवरसुत शनीश पाहि श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि विक्रमदुरित घनान्धादित्य विक्रमदुरित घनान्धादित्य वक्रमति प्रध्वंसक सत्य वक्रमति प्रध्वंसक सत्य सक्रम मार्ग रतावन नित्य सक्रम मार्ग रतावन नित्य शक्रमखार्चित पादुका तथ्य शक्रमखार्चित पादुका तथ्य श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि दिनकरवरसुत शनीश पाहि दिनकरवरसुत शनीश पाहि श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि श्रीनलपुरीश शनीश पाहि भग भव भयहर भावित भानो भग भव भयहर भावित भानो खग मृग नर पशु पाल कृपालो खग मृग नर पशु पाल मृगालो सकल कलाकर काल कृशानो सकल कलाकर काल कृशानो सकल कलाकल कार कृशानो विकल मनश्शम दान दयाळो विकल मनश्शम दान दयाळो श्रीनरपुरीश शनीश पाहि श्रीनरपुरीश शनीश पाहि दिनकरवरसुत शनीश पाहि दिनकरवरसुत शनीश पाहि सच्चिदानन्द श्री गुरु पाहि सच्चिदानन्द श्री गुरु पाहि श्री गुरु पाहि श्री गुरु पाहि Tirunalla. This is a very special place. Tiru means respected, revered. Shri, what we say in Sanskrit, Shri, is Tiru in Tamil Nadu, Tamil. Tiru Nallar. Nallar means Nala Maharaja. That is why this place is called Tirunallar. Nala Maharaja got Darbharanyeshwara Swami's blessings and Shaneshwara Swami's blessings. With the blessings of Shaneshwara Swami, he got rid of all his difficulties and he got that supreme bliss. That is why this place is called Tirunallar. Shri Nalapurisha Shanisha Pahi Dinakara Varasuta Shanisha Pahi. Dinakara means sun god. Shaneshwara Swami is the son of sun god Surya Bhagavan. Dinakara Varasuta Shanisha Pahi. And then Vikrama. Vikrama Durita Ghanandha Aditya. Vikrama Durita Ghanandha Vikramarka was the king, and he got Swami's blessings. With the blessings of Shanaishwara Swami, he was struggling. The enemies cut his hands and his legs. He did namaskara without legs and without hands. Then he got the blessings of Shanaishwara Swami. Vikrama Durita Ghanandha Vidya. Vakramati Pradvamsaka Satya. Whoever thinks weirdly, that is crookedly, he removes the crooked mind. Vakramati Pradvamsaka Satya. Because he is Satya. He is the supreme truth. Vakramati Pradvamsaka Satya. Sakrama Marga Ratavana Nitya. One who is in the right path, he always blesses those people who are in the right path. Sakrama Marga Ratavana Nitya. Shakra Makharchita Paduka Tatsya. Shakra Makharchita. Shakra means Indra. Indra did prayers. Indra did worship to Shanaishwara Swami. Shakra Makharchita Paduka Tatsya. Shri Nala Purisha Shanisha Pahi. With the blessings of Puja Shri Swamiji, we are in Tirunalla, Sri Nalapuri. Today is a special day, Saturday. I pray Puja Shri Swamiji to bless all the devotees. And many people were asking, what did Swamiji pray for? What did Swamiji ask for? I asked Shanaishwara Swami to remove Corona from this world and bless all the human beings with good health and with compassionate heart. That is what my prayers were. May Swami bless you all. Jai Guru Datta, Shri Guru Datta. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Bolo Shanaishwara Swami ki Jai.